Come on in, everybody. Happy Saturday night. I've been in the yard all day long, y'all. I have not felt this much like being in the yard in so many years. So yesterday and today, I'm going to put the video up and show y'all what I've started. Not finished yet. I'm planting some things and cleaning out some things, getting rid of some stuff. Doing pretty good with I was in the yard for about 6 hours yesterday. And today, probably another 6 hours. It just felt good to get back digging in the dirt again. So what I'm basically doing, I'm planting a garden that's going to be a potted garden. I'm calling my pot garden. So I'm not putting anything in the ground, so to speak. The only thing that I did put in the ground, I bought some herb plants, some rosemary. I did put the rosemary in the ground, but everything else is in a pot. And so tonight I'm in here in this kitchen, and I decided I wanted some chicken and potato soup. I had some chicken pieces left over from some other stuff, so I said, okay, chicken and potato soup it is. So I got my chicken boiling. I got my veggies chopped up over here on the side, and I'm going to be using that creamy Bear Creek potato soup, and I've got some potatoes, some more of these little creamy potatoes chopped up. So I'm cooking a big old pot of chicken and potato soup. We eat late at night, so I'll eat some tonight and we'll eat some tomorrow along with our Sunday dinner. So I hope you all are having a God bless Saturday. It's been a beautiful day. I sat out for a while and talked to my neighbor, and it felt so good to be able to sit out and breathe the fresh air and listen to the birds chirp, and just everything is in full bloom, and it was just an awesome day for me today. So I hope you all are having a God blessed day. Remember how we talked last time about all the things that are free in this world? We just walk out the door and just go out there and enjoy. So that's what I've been doing for the last 2 days. I've been outside. One of my favorite places on earth to be is outside with my hands and feet in the dirt. So anywho, I'll be posting those videos so you can see what I was doing outside, and then I'll show you where I am and the finished product, and I'll be showing you all along because, like I said, I've planted some veggies. I planted tomatoes, as Bob would say, tomatoes, cucumber, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. And then for my herbs, I've got some sweet basil and some Thai basil and some the rosemary. Got that. I've still got to go get some chives. That's what I miss getting, oregano and chives. I'm going to do two more herbs in addition. I've got some parsley also. So I'm well on my way to having a wonderful, beautiful garden. And like I said, it's a container garden, but nonetheless, it's going to be all right. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'll let you come right along with me as I plant my garden. So this soup here will be done here shortly, I guess. I got it in my heavy duty pot here, so it should be done about an hour, because the chicken's got to cook and you got to get all the veggies infused in there. So the seasonings that I want to be putting in there, of course, is going to be my veggies, and of course I'm going to put some couple teaspoons of garlic powder. Get that good old garlicky flavor in there. And we're going to put some good old onion powder in there. Same thing, a couple teaspoons. And my everything but the kitchen sink seasoning. And that should just about be, because the, go ahead and get my everything but the kitchen sink. No, that's onion powder there. Okay, and I got some fresh onion to go in. And then now my 2 teaspoons of everything but the kitchen sink. Okay. And then I'll put me a little bit of poultry seasoning in there to get things going. So I'm going to let that chicken boil just a little bit longer, then I'm going to throw my veggies in. And then once I feel like that chicken's done, I'll throw those potatoes in. And then the last thing, of course, that I'm going to be putting in will be that creamy chicken potato soup. That Bear Creek brand is pretty good. And it's just a good base for me to use. Oh, yeah, don't forget the black pepper. Okay, you got the black pepper in. Give that a nice stir. I might put a little bit more. I think I'm going to have to put a little bit more water in there. We're just going to let it cook because we want to have a nice, rich flavor to make the broth for the soup. So if you want to make some nice soup, you got some chicken. Probably had 3 drumsticks, and I think I had 4 thighs. So there's 7 pieces of chicken that's going to be in there. It's going to be a pretty good sized pot. So I'm going to put the lid on it and let it cook for about 30 minutes, and then I'll start putting in everything else. So y'all hang tight. Don't go nowhere. Okay, I think our chicken has cooked pretty much to the point where we get ready to put it. I'm just going to take the drumsticks and get the chicken off the bone. I'm going to leave the bones in. Y'all know I like the bones in. Just sort of chop it up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to let that get up to a rolling boil. Got plenty of chicken in there. And so all I want to do now is start, I'm going to go ahead and add all my veggies in. Everything. Onions, peppers, and celery. Chopped onions, so medium onion, 4 stalks of celery, and probably a half of a green pepper if you had the green pepper. But those were the different little confetti. I think I did 2 or 3 of those, however many. It's your choice. Now we're just going to let all this cook together. Get all that cooked in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my potatoes. That's about a half a pound of those creamier potatoes. We're just going to let them cook. Cook and cook and cook. Oh, I forgot. I have a can of, you can either use a can of cream of chicken or cream of mushroom. I have, happen to have cream of mushroom in my cupboard. So I'm just going to use that 1 can. That's for further seasoning. Stir that around there. We're going to let it cook. And then when all that gets about done, for about 10 minutes, we're going to get when all the veggies and everything get done. Then I'll come back and I'll put in the, Lord, look at that chicken. It looks so wonderful, y'all. And I'll come back and put in my package of Bear Creek potato soup mix. And we're going to have us some good old creamy chicken potato soup. Be back in about 15-20 minutes. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Getting ready to add the potato soup mix in there. I dropped me some carrots and I just could not resist. So we're going to go ahead and start sprinkling in this potato soup mix. This is our Bear Creek potato soup mix. And this is supposed to be enough to make 8 servings. It's really, really thick when you just make it according to the recipe and make the 8. I like my soup kind of like soup. I don't like it too thick. This is going to be nice and creamy and so good. So I recommend this. I've used this Bear Creek mixture before. So we're going to have us something good. I'm going to let that cook up in there about 15 more minutes, and we're going to have us some good old chicken and potato soup with carrots in it. I just couldn't resist putting those carrots in. I love fresh carrots. Cannot wait to get a bowl of this on the table, y'all. Yum, yum, yum. It's a nice big pot full, too. We're just going to let this cook. Let the mix cook into. And I think this, to me, it's going to be just fine. I think it's going to be just thick enough. Once it starts cooking, we'll see. If it's not, you just make a little slurry and put it in there and thicken it up a little bit more, but I think we're going to be okay. I think everything is going to be just right. It's going to be wonderful, y'all. I think I'm going to drop me another can of cream of mushroom in there. Okay, one more can of cream of mushroom, and I think we'll get the exact thickness that we need for the soup. This cream of mushroom just adds more creaminess to it. We got those potatoes in there. It's gonna be good, y'all. Okay, get it stirred in. Make sure everything is stirred in. We're gonna let it boil, like I say, for about 15 minutes. Let it just simmer. Look at that. Nice and loaded with potatoes, carrots. You know, when you cool this down and put it in the fridge, it's going to get thicker anyway, but for eating it right now, this is as thick as I like a soup. This is good. Okay. It'll be done in a minute. I think I'm going to have this with some nice Ritz crackers. Okay, y'all, it's soup. We're going to help us a little bowl here. And that chicken is cooked 2 pieces, y'all. 2 pieces. It's nice and thick, too. Nice and thick. And you know, when you cool it down, it's going to thicken up even more. So we're going to have us a nice bowl. I love those carrots. Like most people fish out of me, I'll fish all them carrots out of there and eat them up. Eat them up. Okay. And of course, like I said, I'm going to have this with some Ritz crackers. Okay.
Hey, it's Claire. Yeah, I know.
There it is.
I changed my mind.
Chicken potato soup with carrots.
I think we should do that tonight.
Good.
Wow.
Yes, babe.
Oh yeah, I'm eating this with my Ritz crackers.
I'm sorry for making you meet me after hours like this. I really need this on the doctor. Of course, Claire. I'm always available for my patients. Come on.
That turn TV, y'all know I had. You know, I've been watching that Good Doctor show. That's a good show. I love Sean. Is my favorite actor in that. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy this bowl of chicken potato soup with that nice big old chunky carrot in there. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for your well wishes, your comments, and your compliments. And listen, if you want to make this pot of soup, just get that chicken boiling and follow the instructions, and you'll have yourself one of the best bowls of chicken vegetable soup that you've ever tasted. Now tomorrow is Sunday, so we'll be doing Sunday dinner. So thank y'all. Hope you enjoyed my spruce up the yard video as well. Anywho, y'all, love you guys until I decide to cook something again, which will be tomorrow. We're gonna come back, and I don't know what I'm gonna cook tomorrow. So anywho, y'all rest well. Continue to pray without ceasing. Do something kind for somebody. And please, please, please get in that kitchen, cook yourself something good to eat. Until I decide to cook again, y'all. Toodles.